Metro Hobbies is one of the largest specialist hobby retail groups in Australia, specializing in plastic model kits, model trains, slot cars, Gundam models, radio control cars, boats and aircraft, Lego, hobby tools, paints and supplies. Their goal is to provide customers with amazing customer service and technical knowledge. And with staff all keen hobbyists themselves, they are proud of being a shop of people who enjoy what they do. Experts ready to help both in store and over the phone with all your hobby needs, 7 days a week. Metro Hobbies Melbourne is located right in the heart of Melbourne CBD. An amazing hobby store that covers all of your traditional hobbies like model trains, slot cars, radio control and model making, in addition to cutting-edge hobbies like FPV racing. Not just for adults, there is something for kids of all ages. Lego, games, jigsaw puzzles, and more. This is a must-see shop in Melbourne. Operating hours: Monday, Friday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Location: Metro Hobbies, 257 Burke Street, Melbourne 3000. https://www.metrohobbies.com.au/. Metro Hobbies is a foundation of the Australian hobby scene. For more than 36 years have been helping enthusiasts of every age enjoy everything awesome in the world of hobbies, from plastic model kits, model trains, slot cars, Gundam models, radio control cars, boats and aircraft, to hobby tools, paints and supplies. Have a wide range of products available. If what you are after is not in stock, they will go above and beyond to source it from their current supplier's catalog. Pricing is very competitive. And in addition, have a store-wide price match system where they can match any Australian competitor's price on an item as long as it is in stock and not on sale, special. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.